Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a shape to your Wix website. Shapes are incredibly versatile design elements that can help break up content, draw attention to specific areas, or simply add visual interest to your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your main control center for managing all aspects of your website. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. This option gives you access to your website's settings and editing tools. From here, you'll see a preview of your website along with its current settings. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website you want to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. It's always a good idea to double-check before making any changes. Now, on this page, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the actual website editor where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can customize every aspect of your site's design and layout. From here, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your website. The menu will expand and present you with a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. From text boxes and images to buttons and forms, everything is organized into categories. From here, locate the decorative element and click on it. The decorative section contains various visual elements designed to enhance your site's aesthetics. From here, you'll see different types of shapes you can use under the Basic Shapes section. You'll find circles, squares, triangles, and various other geometric forms. Simply choose from the listed shapes and drag it onto your website canvas. You can place it wherever you like and resize it by dragging the corners. The shape will automatically appear on your page, ready to be customized with colors, borders, or effects. And that's it. You've successfully added a shape to your Wix website, giving your design that extra visual element it needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.